time to build up our conveyor. So I'm going to start by building the ball carriers. These are the pieces that are going to carry your balls up the conveyor. I just want to get a nice amount of glue there. And we're going to pop our hooks in. Should snap in. Okay, I'm going to make sure that everything's nice and square. You don't want these to be bent in or out. It's important that they're square. Clean up any glue, excess glue, and let those dry. Okay, now that we've got some hooks ready to assemble, I'm going to show you how to assemble the conveyor with your O-rings. So you're going to just take any two pieces, put them back to back, and then you're going to want to drop your O-ring into the crack there. So, like so. You're going to pull it in. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, that's good. Now, when you unfold these, the O-ring, as you can see, the O-rings are going to hold those parts together. And you're just going to continue to do this again. Just assemble these back to back each time. That's the easiest way. And then fold it again, and you can see you're going to assemble the entire conveyor this way. Now, obviously, periodically, you're going to want to assemble your hook pieces. And depending on how large you want your conveyor to be, how tall you're going to make it, you're going to decide on a spacing. There we go.